Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new topic, apostrophe. Okay, students, at the end of this topic, you will be able to define an apostrophe. You will also be able to write the possessive form of apostrophe, and you will also be able to write contractions. Okay, now take a look at these two examples here. First example is this computer doesn't work, and the second one is the cockpit is that cabin which belongs to a pilot in an aeroplane. Now students, there is another way of writing these sentences. Means I can write these sentences in some other way also, like I have written them below. See here how I have written them. This computer doesn't work. And second sentence I have rewritten it as the cockpit is a pilot's cabin in an aeroplane. Though I have written them in a different way, but the meaning is same like the sentences written above. Okay, now see what's the difference. What I did in these two sentences. First is I used apostrophe. And see where I have used them. See here, doesn't. You watch this comma above n and between n and t. So what is this? This is apostrophe. Okay, so what it did here, it joined these two words, does plus not. So I have written them as doesn't. Okay, and here pilot's cabin. Here this apostrophe, it is showing the possession of the cabin by a pilot. Okay, so what is this apostrophe? Why we use it? This apostrophe is a punctuation mark like other marks in English. Like you people use a full stop in simple sentences. At the end of each simple sentence you use a full stop. Okay, in interrogative sentences you use a question mark. In your exclamatory sentences, what do you use? Sign of exclamation. Okay, so similarly apostrophe is also a type of punctuation mark. Now reason for using apostrophe. Now see these two examples here. This computer doesn't work. Again I am considering the above sentences again here. This computer doesn't work. Doesn't means does plus not. Here what I did here, I used apostrophe and I write the contracted form of these two words here as doesn't. Doesn't means does plus not. And see the second sentence. The cockpit is a pilot's cabin in an aeroplane. Okay, see here pilot's cabin. Here the apostrophe is playing a different role. In the first sentence, what it did? It combined these two words to form a contracted form like doesn't. But in the second sentence, here it is not a contracted form. What is it? It is showing the possession or ownership of something by somebody. Like in this sentence, it is showing the possession or ownership of the cabin by the pilot. It means that the cabin belongs to the pilot. So apostrophe has two major roles. For two different reasons we use apostrophe. Like in the first sentence we used it to form a contraction, and in the second sentence we used it to show possession or ownership. Get it now? So students, note now what you learned today. Today you learned the apostrophe is used to indicate omission of letters to form contractions of or shortened words, like here doesn't. Here we used apostrophe and we use the shortened form of this does plus not as doesn't. And in the second sentence we use this apostrophe to show possession or ownership of something by somebody. Okay, see, like here it is used to indicate possession. Like in the sentence it is showing possession or ownership of that cabin by a pilot. So this is all for today. Tomorrow students we will learn the rules to make contracted forms or contractions of different words in English. And second thing we learn about, we learn the rules to use apostrophe with singular nouns as well as plural nouns. Thank you.